Okay, so firstly we will discuss measurements of angle. You can see just image I have drawn of a protector. We call is as a D also because it is having the shape of D. Now you can see this. This is the center. Okay, this is the center of the protector. Now you can see this line. This is the baseline. This is the baseline and this is the center of the protector. Now if we want to measure, suppose if I will say M angle AOB is equals to, you have to draw 30 degree. M stands for measurements of angle AOB. Okay, now this O, we will put the protector like this. Now the measurement is of how much? 30 degree. So we will put the protector over here, measure it, and it will go like this. Okay, so we will draw like this. So angle AOC we will measure. Where is this? We'll draw like this. So how we will draw angle AOB? This side, this is the center dot, it will go like this, AOB. So we will write O over here because this is the center, this is the common vertex, AB, and the measurement is what? 30 degree. We will write over here. Like this we will measure. Okay, now it will start from 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170 and 180. This is one side. There are two sides. One more side is there, but we will follow this side. That is why I have written like this. Okay, suppose if you want to measure angle COD is equals to 90 degree if you measure. So you will put your protector over here in this baseline. Then you will see 90 degrees here. You will measure. So 90 degree is always straight line. So you will write COD, it is equals to 90 degree. Like this you will write. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss types of angles. So we will discuss 6 types of angle. Now the number 1 is acute angle. Number 1 is acute angle. Now what are acute angle? Angle which are starting from 0 degree to 89 degree. Okay, 0 to 89 till here somewhat. From here to here, those angles are called acute angle. Okay, an angle who's less than 90 degree, we can say less than 90 degree or 0 degree to 89 degree, those angles are called acute angle. Now second one is right angle. What are right angle? Angle whose measurement is 90 degree, straight angle. So acute angle will form like this, 30 degree, 40 degree like this, and right angle will be like this, 90 degree. Okay. Now third one is obtuse angle. What are obtuse angle? An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So they are ranging from 91 degree to 179 degree. Those angles which are in the range of 91 to 179 degree, they are called obtuse angle. Okay. So obtuse angle, we have seen that this was 90 degree. This side, all these are acute angle. This is right. And all these angles are what? Obtuse angle. Okay, so it will be like this. Suppose 130 degree. Like this. Now fourth one we will discuss, that is straight angle. Okay, now fourth one is what? Straight angle. Okay, an angle whose measure is 180 degree. An angle whose measure is what? 180 degree, that is straight angle. Okay, now straight angle will be like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now next one is reflex angle. Now what are reflex angle? An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree. It means it will start from 181 degree but less than 360 degree. It means 359. So angle whose range, or they'll come in the range of 181 to 359 degree, they are called reflex angle. Okay. Now reflex angle are, they will go this way. Suppose P, Q, R. Okay. Okay, now number 6 is complete angle. Okay, now what are complete an angle? An angle whose measure is 360 degree. An angle whose measure is 360 degree, they are called complete angle. So they are what? Complete angle. Okay.